Nervous system is very important system in our body. In the human body, nervous system plays the role of showing response to the stimulus. Response to the stimulus. One example of response to the stimulus. Suppose we are walking on the road, and from the front, if a vehicle comes, say a truck comes in front of our, and we just see that, then suddenly we come to a side. Here coming to side is response, and the truck what we see is that is actually the stimulus, and this is achieved by our nervous system. But to achieve this, three structures of our body should coordinate each other. Which are those three structures? Those three structures are receptors, effectors, and conductors. Receptors, effectors, and conductors. What are receptors? Our sense organs are our receptors. They receive the stimulus. Which are our sense organ? We have 5 sense organ: eye, nose, skin, tongue, ear. They receive the impulse. They receive the stimulus. So they are the receptors. Now, what are effectors? When we perform a function like response to stimulus, I gave you an example that we come to a side. How do we come side? With the help of our muscles, leg muscles. So here muscles act as effectors. Then what is about conductor? Conductor is the link between receptor and effector. And those conductors are nothing but our nerves, that is nervous system. So the link between receptor and effector is brought about by the action of conductor. And that's what we are going to study in our nervous system topic. Let us study in bit detail. See, human nervous system is broadly divided into 3 branches or 3 categories, like one is CNS. CNS stand for Central Nervous System. Second one is PNS. PNS means Peripheral Nervous System. So this is Central Nervous System, Peripheral Nervous System, and ANS. ANS stand for Autonomic Nervous System. I repeat once again, our nervous system is divided as Central Nervous System, Peripheral Nervous System, and Autonomic Nervous System. What do you mean by Central Nervous System? Central Nervous System is composed of our brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of spinal nerves and cranial nerves. And autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So this is how exactly our nervous system is divided. Let us study in detail one by one now. First, central nervous system, that is about brain and spinal cord. Now, the central nervous system see, brain, which is present in our head, inside our head, in our means it is protected in the skull, and from there the spinal cord runs into our vertebral column. Brain and spinal cord, this is brain, this is spinal cord, this is together called as our central nervous system. First, coming to brain, our brain is protected by our skull. Brain is protected by skull. The place where the brain is present, it is called as brain box, or it is also called as cranium. It's also called as cranium. Now, what is the weight of brain of an adult person? It is about 1400 gram. The weight of brain of an adult person is 1400 gram, means about 1.5 kg. The weight of our brain is 1.5 kg. Our brain, it is covered by 3 membranes. There are 3 membranes. Those membranes together called as meninges. Those membranes are together called as membranes. Membranes that surround our brain, not only brain, even the spinal cord. The membrane that surround our brain, they are called as meninges. Meninges, together called as meninges. Which are the 3? They are dura mater, middle one arachnoid, and the last one pia mater. Okay, so these 3 together called as meninges. Meninges are the membrane that covers our brain. Dura mater, arachnoid, pia mater. Okay, these 3 are the membranes. And in between the membranes, there present a fluid called as CSF. CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid is present around the brain, around the spinal cord. This fluid has 2 functions. One is it provides or it supplies nutrients to the brain. And second function, it acts as a shock absorber. Because in a day we jump, we run, we fall. At that time our brain and spinal cord should not get hurt. So that is the function of cerebrospinal fluid.